Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Ziddi Technical Tips and in this lecture I am going to talking about centralized networks and decentralized networks. So let's start our today topic. Before starting a video, before starting lecture, I request you, I again request you, please subscribe my YouTube channel, Ziddi Technical Tips. Centralized network. In a centralized P2P network, the directional system list of the peer and what they offer use the client server paradigm, but the storing and downloading of the file are done using the peer-to-peer paradigm, uh, peer-to-peer paradigm. For this session, a centralized P2P network is sometimes referred to as a hybrid P2P network. Napstar was an example of a centralized P2P. In this type of network and a list of file, it has it has to share to avoid system collapse. Napstar and several servers of for the purpose, but we saw only one in figure. Appear looking for a particular file, send a query to center server. The server search it directory and respond to with the IP addresses of a node that we have a copy of the file to peer connect of one of the node and download the file. The directory is constantly updated as a node join or leave the peer. So now we talk about a decentralized network. Our decentralized network P2P network doesn't depend on a centralized directory system. In this model, peers arrange themselves into an overlay network, which is a logical network made on top of the physical network, depending on how the nodes in the overlay network are linked. A decentralized P2P network is classified as either unstructured or structured. Unstructured network. In an unstructured P2P network, the nodes are linked randomly. A search in an unstructured P2P is not very efficiently because a query to find a file must be flooded through the network, which produce significant traffic, and still query will not be resolved. Two examples of this type of network are Genetilla and Freenet. We next discuss the Genetilla network for an example. The Genotilla network is an example of a peer-to-peer network that is decentralized but unstructured. It is unstructured in the sense that the directory is randomly distributed between nodes. When node want to access object, it contacts one of its neighbors. A neighbor in this case is any node whose address is known to a node. So a node send a query message to the neighbor node W. The query include the identity of the object So that's all, and I want to going to end my this lecture. And before ending my video, I want to request you please subscribe my YouTube channel, uh, Ziddi Technical Tips. Goodbye, take care.